Hello, this is a quick guide to show you how to access your e-learning content or course materials on the iLTMS. First step, from your preferred browser, go to the student portal using the URL shown on the screen. Step 2. Log into the student portal either using your login credentials or SingPass. Step 3. Ensure that the pop-up blocker is disabled on your browser. Do note that different browsers have different pop-up blockers. Step 4. Once you have logged in, from the navigation panel on the left, click the button labeled as e-learning to access the course materials. Step 5. You will be redirected to the LMS portal on a new tab. Do note that you must be registered for a course to be able to access the LMS portal. Step 6. From the dashboard, scroll down to the section labeled My Tasks and click on the course you wish to access. Step 7. A new tab or window will open up displaying the e-learning content or course materials. We hope that this has been helpful for you. Goodbye!